We finally have the verdict in the messy defamation trial of Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard, and Johnny Depp has won $15 million in the defamation suit. The jury unanimously decided that Johnny Depp proved the elements of defamation, and because of this, he was awarded $10 million in compensatory damages and $5 million in punitive damages, totaling $15 million that Amber Heard will be forced to pay to Johnny Depp. Depp won all 3 of his claims against Amber Heard. However, it was not a slam dunk, as Amber Heard also won a portion of her countersuit, because she was able to prove that Johnny Depp's legal team defamed her as well. She was awarded $2 million in compensatory damages and $0 in punitive damages. Amber won claim 2 in her counterclaim and lost claims 1 and 3. All 42 of the questions related to defamation and Amber Heard's malicious intent when writing the op-ed were answered yes by the jury, with them concluding that she lied about her claims of physical violence and that she acted with malice when she wrote the op-ed for the Washington Post. When the jury first presented their verdict to the judge, they made an error with the paperwork and did not fill out any monetary value for the compensatory damages, with the judge telling the jury that it must be at least $1, but can be up to whatever the jury thought was appropriate. The judge then told the jury to go back to the deliberation room so they could come up with the compensatory damages. We got word an hour before that the verdict had been reached and would be read out in court in Fairfax, Virginia at 3 p.m. local time. The jury deliberated for a total of 14 hours to come to the verdict. Johnny Depp was not present during the verdict because he had previously scheduled work commitments, although he said he would be watching the trial closely from the United Kingdom, which is where he was staying when the verdict was read. Amber Heard was present in court for the verdict, along with all of the lawyers for both sides. The trial started after Depp sued his ex-wife Amber Heard for $50 million over an op-ed she wrote for the Washington Post. In the article, she described herself as a, quote, public figure representing domestic abuse. Depp was not mentioned in this article, but it still had a devastating impact on his acting career, and he lost multiple lucrative acting roles, which is why he decided to pursue the matter in court. Heard then countersued for $100 million over statements that Depp's attorney made about her claims. Depp and his lawyers called her claims a hoax. Heard claimed she was only ever violent with Depp in self-defense or defense of her younger sister, Whitney. The 6-week trial included over 100 hours of testimony combined, so many were shocked to hear the jury come to a conclusion so quickly. After their messy marriage and divorce, the truth of what happened in this toxic marriage has finally been decided. So that's all for the breaking news, but make sure to subscribe to the channel as we're going to be filling you in on the aftermath of the trial and what's going to happen next. I've been your host Mackenzie Smith, and we'll catch you in the next one.